How to fix FC24 not launching on PC. Now all you have to do first is make sure that your current PC is updated to the latest operating system as possible. Now for you to check that, go to your Windows and type in Windows Update. Now click on Check for Updates, and in here make sure that your operating system or your Windows is updated to the latest version. Now, once everything is double checked and made sure that your system is currently updated to the latest version possible, all you have to do next is go back to your Windows search and type exploit protection. Now click on OK for you to be able to redirect to exploit system settings. Now in here, choose on program settings. Now what you want to do next is click on add program to customize and choose exact file path. Now in this method, this is going to be the phase or the step in which you'll have to look for your FC24 file folder. So it is usually located under your program files, and then just look for the EA folder or just head directly and look for your FC24 file folder. Now once you're able to look for it, just simply click on your main FC24 file or software and just manually add it from your exploit protection. Now once you have added FC24 under the exploit protection, you will now then be able to launch your game without any problems. So that's it. That's how you fix FC24 not launching on your PC.